case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In the 2000 Alabama Supreme Court case Eichold v. Easter, the court upheld the idea that if someone who did not sign a contract can benefit from it, they may be considered a third-party beneficiary and gain the right to enforce a provision such as an arbitration agreement. The Stameys contracted Hallmont Homes Inc. for a mobile home and related installations, but faced issues with 2 installations not being completed. They borrowed money from Greentree Financial Corporation to pay for the installations, and the contract with Greentree included an arbitration provision, which was not in the contract with Hallmont. Hallmont argued that the Greentree arbitration provision was comprehensive enough to cover the Stameys' claims against them. The court decided that Hallmont could enforce the Greentree contract's arbitration provision as a third-party beneficiary, subjecting the Stameys' claims against Greentree and Hallmont to arbitration. The trial court's decision to grant arbitration to Greentree, but not Hallmont, was affirmed and upheld, with one judge dissenting.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind, leave the stress of class.